Okay, right now I have it in the auto drain zone, or auto drain mode, which is plugged in, obviously. This manual switch is in the automatic position, which is, if you're looking at the switch, that's what it looks like. When this water level reaches a high enough point to activate pressure on that switch there, it sends a switch current down to the motor to turn on. So you just heard it turn on. So that's the point right there. You can take a marker if you want, but it's not a big deal. So right now it's gonna drain that water up because the motor's on. It's pumping it through the impeller and pressure as water is going over here, and you can hear it coming down this drain here. Alright, so that copper pipe is ending up into this big old copper, it's like a 4-inch, into this PVC Y adapter and out to the drain outside. So once it empties completely, it will stop. The motor will stop turning. And there it is. Real close. Okay, stopped on its own. Now, let's say I'm doing a maintenance and I just want to clean up my tub. It's not gonna rinse all my gunk out here. This thing hasn't been cleaned since 1950. Or at least 1990, something like that. 2009, I think, is when the paperwork for a washer. Anyway, I'm going too deep into this. Okay, so if I were to start running this, it's not gonna get my gunk out. So what you do at that point is you activate the manual switch. So let me show you that real quick. I know this is common sense to some people, but if you never owned a system like this, it might help you out. But don't leave it like this. You're gonna burn out the motor, which is not good. Okay. Now, whoever ran this house before, they really should have a screen on this, not a rag and a zip tie. They sell the little screens for a washing machine. This thing was full of all kinds of stuff. Once I got that out, it still wouldn't turn. The motor was seized. I oiled it up, so you'll see some oil on that shaft. Once I got the motor spinning, this stupid thing wouldn't automatically eject because there was so much gunk in that brass fitting that sends that rubber hose over to the pressure switch. So there was a lot of maintenance to that. So to avoid that, keep a screen on that, keep this thing purged. If large items like rocks or whatever, don't let it go down, just vacuum it up or wipe it out. Okay, this note is for my realtor. There's water all over this floor. I spread it out, I didn't bring a mop, and there's no supplies in this house for cleaning. So I just took a rag and spread it out everywhere, kind of thinly. The reason why there was water is someone unplugged this pump because it was overflowing that tank, which I just fixed. So that problem should go away. All this water should be gone hopefully soon. But I tested that pump. It is spraying water into here every now and then. So while this furnace is running, that is imperative. Otherwise you're gonna have floor water again. So, all right, that's just a note from my realtor. So yeah, it's been about 3 hours, 2 hours here. Good night.